I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock. First, select high-quality ingredients such as roasted bones, aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and fresh herbs. Place them in a large stock pot, ensuring it's at least an 8-quart capacity. Cover everything with cold water, which helps to slowly draw out the flavors. This initial step is crucial for a rich, clear stock. Next, bring your pot to a very gentle simmer. It's important to avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising. Carefully skim this off to keep your stock clear and clean. For bone stocks, adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar can aid in extracting beneficial minerals. Simmer chicken stock for about 4 to 6 hours, and beef stock for 8 to 12 hours. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the cooked solids. Their flavor has been fully extracted. Rapid cooling is essential for food safety. You can use an ice bath to bring the temperature down quickly. Once cooled, refrigerate your stock for up to 4 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for several months. Proper storage ensures your homemade stock remains fresh and ready for use. Store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in convenient 1-cup or 2-cup portions. This versatile liquid is perfect as a flavorful base for soups, stews, and risottos. You can also reduce it further to create a rich, concentrated glaze, adding depth to many dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.